2012 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, overhead console, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.